Okay, my dear students, how can you solve this multiple block pulley and wedge problems even without free body diagram and constrained motion equations? These are very confusing things which students are going to suffer like anything. If you want to find out acceleration and tensions of these type of problems, it will eat away 2 to 3 minutes. I'm telling you, eat away 2 to 3 minutes definitely. But how can you solve these problems in less than 17 to 30 seconds? That's it, not more than that. For that, I have given a shortcut formula here. Acceleration is equal to weight components by net mass. Acceleration is equal to weight components by net mass. What are the weight components? Here if you observe, 5 kg and 3 kg are sliding down. 5 kg and 3 kg combined together, they are called as 8. So 8g sine theta, which is along the wedge, minus 2g sine 90, which is hanging. For hanging body, component is sine 90. Okay, and for wedge body which are resting on the wedge, that is sine 30. You have to take the angle here. Okay, this is going to be 30 degrees. So if you make the difference here, you will get an acceleration. Dominating side is this side along the wedge, which is coming down, and the one which is hanging is going upwards. So dominating weights minus less dominating weights which are moving up. Only single weight is moving up, 2 weights are sliding down. So that difference you have to consider. So 8g sine 30 is nothing but 80 into 1 by 2 minus 20. Sine 90 is going to be 1. Whole divided by 10 here. So 2 ones, 2 fours, 40. So acceleration, how much you are getting here? Acceleration is nothing but 40 minus 20 by 10, that is nothing but 2 meter per second square. So you got an acceleration. How are you going to find out the tension? Let us imagine the tension along 2 kg is taken as T1. So this is also T1, whereas this along the 5 kg is taken as T2. I already told you that this block, as it is going upwards, you can consider tension up is equal to m into g minus a. G plus a. The block which is going upwards, on that tension will become m into g plus a. The block which is coming downwards, on that tension will become m into g minus a. If it is component, mg sine theta minus a, that you have to consider. I'll show you how you have to do. So tension upwards is m into g plus a. What is m here? 2. G is 10, a is 2 here. We just know we got 2. So therefore 24 newtons is taken as T1. Okay, so this block which is exactly hanging, you can consider m into g plus a, because there are no components here. Sine 90 is going to be 1. But you want to find out tension T1. We got now just tension T1. If you want to find out tension T2, what you have to do? So you can find out tension T2 now. Okay, so how are you going to find out this tension T2? So tension T2 is, as tension is acting on 5 kg and that too 5 kg is coming down along the wedge, you have to consider m into g sine 30 minus a. Okay, instead of taking mg minus a, you have to consider component of the g acceleration. Mg sine 30 minus a will give directly answer. So T2 is equal to, what is that, 5 kg into g means 10 into 1 by 2 minus a is again 2 here. So therefore T2 is equal to 5 into 3. Okay, 5 into 3, because 2 ones, 2 fives. So 5 minus 2 is going to be 3. 5 threes are 15 newtons. So like this you can find out in a super simple way, without any free body diagram, without any constraints motion. Hope you have enjoyed this lecture. Thank you very much. Have a nice